Yes, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can determine the traffic that come to your website. I am Razak Yahya, your web developer and the web designer from fastnowas.com. If you haven't visited my website, visit it now at www.fastnowas.com to know how you can create a website for free step by step. My expert guide there via the content and blog post, video can help you create a website very fast for free. Without wasting much of your time, let me start showing you the steps or the tips on how you can determine the traffic that comes to your website so that you can even know how many people are viewing your pages. You can know how many people are viewing your website, are visiting your website after sharing it on social media, on YouTube, on Instagram. At the end of the day, how many people are visiting? And they're not visiting your website, and how much time are they wasting on your website? This is called bounce rate. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The number one step or the tool that you can use to determine the traffic that comes to the website is you connect your website with Google Analytics. As its name implies, it analyzes the traffic that comes to the website. Anything that happens on the website, Google Analytics help you know. By linking your website with Google Analytics, you know the gender of viewers that come to your website, you know their location, you know what they typed in their web browser before they found your website on search engine. If they are from Facebook, you will know. If they are from Instagram, no. And you will also know the time they are spending on your website. This is called bounce rate. The higher the bounce rate, the higher they are not interested on your website. So you have to create a content that makes them spend much time on your website in order to get a lower bounce rate. According to the expert digital marketer, they suggested that a lower bounce rate, a bounce rate of about less than 30% is a good one. Anything that goes beyond 30% is abnormal. So you have to make your website load faster. You have to make the design look professional so that the users on your website have a good experience. That way they will spend much time on your website consuming your content, using the tools you created on your website, or watching the videos on anything that you created on your website is a content. They interact with it by spending much time with it. Then Google will know that your website is authentic, is professional. Hence, they will promote your website to other people, and that is how you can win as a digital marketer via SEO for free. Now, by connecting your website to Google Analytics, you just simply visit Analytics, www.analytics.google.com. Then follow the instruction and submit your website. After submitting your website, you need to verify it so that they'll know you are a verified owner of the website. The way you can verify is by adding a link to the header of your website or the footer of the website. You can use a plugin like Header and Footer Inserter by WordPress Beginner. You can install this plugin via your WordPress dashboard. I created a video on how you can install and activate plugin on your WordPress website. If you install that plugin, you will copy the code on your Google Analytics and paste it there. Then you click verify. Then the Google team will verify your website. If they found that code on your website, then they'll know that website totally belongs to you. That is how you can create a Google Analytics account and link it with your website. After it has successfully been linked, then the next 24 hours they will propagate. Then every movement on your website by your visitors will be displayed on your Google Analytics. By visiting your Google Analytics, you know how many pages, how many people are presently viewing your website, where are they coming from, which pages are they interacting with, what are they doing. You will know it. Then another step or the tool you can use to determine the page views on your website or the analytics of your website is by using Search Console. Search Console, as its name implies, it shows you the searches of your website on search engine. how your website is ranking, what keyword that people are typing on search engine on their web browser to see you on search engine. This Google Search Console help you know all these things. Okay, by creating a Search Console account, just visit console.google.com and submit your website or a particular website URL which you want to determine its ranking, and that is how you can do to connect your website with Google Search Console. Another tool that you can use to know the page views of your website is Ahref. Ahref has been in the business for years. They help you know the traffic that comes to your website on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, and you can also know the CPC of your website. CPC means cost per click. If you are an AdSense publisher, then this CPC show you how much you can earn from AdSense in a month, how much you can earn from AdSense on a particular keyword, cost per click. They will help you know this so that you should spend most of your time to focus creating content that relates to these keywords. Ahref helps you know this for free. Just create an account by visiting ahref.com, then you submit your website to them. They will help you analyze it, know the type of page views you're having, your page viewers location, etc. Another step or the tool that you can use to know the page views of your website is using SEMrush. Some people call it SEMrush, but I know SEMrush is like a Ahref website, okay, where you can create an account and submit your website to them. Then they will start showing you the page views you have on your website, where are they coming from, your domain name, authority, etc. This thing helps you know the type of traffic you have, and that is it. Another step or the tool you can use to know the page views of your website is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a tool that is created by Neil Patel. NeilPatel.com or Neil Patel Digital is one of the top influencers in digital marketing of our time. He created this tool to help you know the keyword that people are typing on their web browser to find a website that relates to yours, so that you can also start creating content or pages that relate to that in order for you to rank well on search engine. By taking advantage of Ubersuggest, you just simply visit app.neilpatel.com. Ubersuggest is just a tool that is created under the subdomain of neilpatel.com. Visit app.neilpatel.com and you will find this tool called Ubersuggest. Then create an account on it, submit your website, and start tracking the page views you are having on your website. You will know the content idea, you know the content gap that you need to write about on your website. That is it. It analyzes everything on your website. And these are the 5 tools I used and my client used to know the traffic and page views of their website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I am open to reply to your comments via the comment section, so any question you have to ask, do not keep it to yourself. On this channel we have a professional advisors here to advise you on anything that you are not really clear about. By commenting, you may find somebody to answer your question. I and my team are here to answer your question. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you watching my next videos.